Hi, it's Katie, and I'm here with my May Cult Cosmetics Black Box. And wormies. First thing I have in here are Cult by Naughty little hair bands. Those are pretty cool. I like these kind of hair bands. Then we have from BH Cosmetics, Lovable Lash Mascara in True Black. And I'm not going to open that because I have a couple open already. I don't want it to dry out. And then we have the polish. So we have El Porto. Looks like it's just a white cream. And then Dogtown, a shimmery purple, dark purple. So that's my black box. And if you want to get this box, I will leave the information below. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again later. Thanks. Bye.